have to travel across the ocean to see people from another country recognizing what everyone in America should already know. Micheal Jordan is the greatest ever. And the fact that that sound has to be echoed in Italy as opposed to throughout the streets of America, because we got young whippersnappers being influenced by Pity the Fool, Big Perk, and my man Swagoo talking about someone other than Micheal Jordan being the greatest is a travesty, and it's a reminder, Perk, of what you said. We see the greatest players in the world right now, primarily from Europe. We got Jokic, we got Giannis, we got Luka, and people like that. Okay, America, stand up and take this sport back. Take it back, because you see what they're doing over there overseas. They recognize who the true GOAT is, and there's no confusion.
I'm not doing it.
Perk.
I'm going to take the bait. I know he threw that bitch line out there. I'm going to take the bait. Again, S.A., I'm going to say this again, man. I'm not taking anything from MJ. Damn it, you go in my closet. If you see me walking around, I got J's on my feet. I'm not taking anything away from him. He's just the second greatest player of all time in my eyes. Is that a problem? Arrest me for saying that, in your words. Kill me for saying that he's number 2 on my list to LeBron James. That's okay, S.A. You remember when I told you last year, you and Molly? It's your preference. Some people like to drink Ciroc. Some people like to drink Hennessy. At the end of the day, they both go get you drunk.